Hi there, I'm Marina from AppJobs.com, and today I'm gonna be telling you everything about Lime, one of our job offers. So by the end of this video, you will know everything about this app job and most importantly, how to apply for it through our website. Now you can literally make money while you're sleeping. Just sign up with Lime and charge as many scooters as you can. You're gonna collect the scooters, charge them, and then put them back where you found them on the following day. And you will be paid per scooter you charge. Lime lets people use electric scooters, and you as a charger will be the one responsible to go around in town with your car, with your van, with your truck, or by foot, collect them the scooters, charge them, and put them back where you found them. And the next day you're gonna get paid. You'll be able to see all the Lime scooters in the app so you know exactly what they're gonna be and where to find them. And Lime's app is so easy to use. All you need is a phone, an internet connection, and a bank account connected to that to get your payment. And it's also really simple to sign up as a Lime charger here at our website. Once you are in the registration page, you just need to answer some questions. And once your profile has been approved by the Lime team, you're good to go. Just download the app and you can start making money. Now, before letting you know what the requirements are to be a Lime charger, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, click on the red button to make sure you know when we have a new video up. You also need to click on the little bell so you activate the notifications for when we have a new video up on the channel. And the requirements are really simple. You need to have the right to work, you need to have a smartphone, and of course, you also need to have a driver's license if you're gonna be picking up scooters with a car, a van, or a truck. But you can also do it by foot, so you won't need the driver's license. Now, if you are interested in working with Lime, all you have to do is go to appjobs.com or click in the first link in the description box. Once you do that, you can go to our web page, and there you can sign in or join now, select your city, and click on the category freelance to see if Lime is an option for you. If it is, all you have to do is click on this button. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!